CIT Arun Textiles Private Limited, CIT which is VMD Mills Private Limited, CIT which is Vedha Spinning Mills Private Limited. Section 4. Charge of income tax, income or capital, sale of carbon credit, capital receipt, not no cost of acquisition of production to get entitled not accessible under any head of income under section 28 subsection 1 and 56 held that the tribunal was right to holding the proceed realized by the assessee on the sale of certified emission reduction credit, which is the assessee owned on the clean development mechanism on the wind energy operation where capital received and are not taxable under the head of other income. Okay, it's not taxable on income, so the no cost of acquisition or production because when it is being a capital receipt, it is given by the government. There is no cost of acquisition because doing the activities government is giving it. So whatever they receive has no acquisition value over it. It's done due to the act what they did. So selling of such thing is not taxable. It is a capital receipt. So completely can't be considered as a revenue receipt. Totally exempted.